Hi everyone, it's me, Cindy, and it's Saturday afternoon, and it was half price at the Goodwill today. I'm over at my daughter's house because I had one of my grandsons today, so I took him with me. He's 2 years old, so I decided to concentrate on him, but now that I'm seeing the sizes, I think this could be for the 5-year-old. Anyways, I found this beautiful sweatshirt. I mean, it's in immaculate condition. Transformer. And it's got the little Transformer tag on there. And that was $2.99, so that cost me $1.49. And remember, when you're buying from the Goodwill, there's no tax on anything because it's a donation. Then I found this, $1.99, which means it cost me $99. And that's a Superman Strong. Thought that was really cool. And then I found this, which is the Tony Hawk brand, and that came from Kohl's, and again $1.49. It's getting into that season for flannel, so now's the time when it's really nice to look for that stuff for the kids. So yeah, that's what I got today for the kids. I didn't get to look. I only went to one store because, like I said, I had my grandson with me, and but this is what I did find, and I haven't cleaned it yet. It is a Coach. It is in immaculate condition. Whoever had it didn't use it for very long at all. I mean, maybe once or twice. Let me see if I can get into the inside of it. There's the tag in there, $24.99, which means it cost me $12.49. It is really, really clean inside. So I'll obviously, I do spray Lysol disinfecting spray when I buy these, because basically that kills almost every bacteria or fungus or whatever there is out there, germs. So yeah, I'll be doing that. I thought that was really worth the money for $12.49. For a minute there, I was like, should I pick it up after they were saving it? And I said, yeah, you will never find that for $12.49 again in that great of condition. A lot of times they're real funky, dirty inside, and I don't buy them when they're that way. This has a little bit of dirtiness right in there, but I will clean that with soap and warm water and a washcloth or dishcloth, whatever. So, all right, that's all I got today, and I hope everybody has a great day. Bye.